hopefully many Lego competitions. Ty is unveiling his first. Come on, Ty, come tell us about your Lego.
This is a helicopter / car thing.
Okay.
And then this is my SwiftPad 3000. And this right here, part of a rocket ship, but I didn't build all of it. A bed and a fire camp.
Very nice. I like the fire camp. Okay, Allie, you're next.
There's ballots and pencils.
Okay.
Let's wait until everybody shows their product.
Mom. Put this is mine.
Whoa!
And this is my car. And this protects that guy who's driving it. Or girl, I don't know. And in case like a car, it's rubber, so it'll just go boing. And then this gives high fives to airplanes, and then this gives high fives to other cars.
Very nice.
I got what do the high fives like make the airplane crash?
No.
Okay. Here we go.
No, the airplane. The
And
airplane.
this
Hey,
is,
hey, high five.
this is my kitchen right here. And I have a little stove. And then I have a carrot, and these are beds. And then this is a slide where they just go. And then they walk over to the kitchen. This is the garbage. This is the furnace / air conditioner. This is a very comfy chair. And this is a fish tank. And this was found 1 million years ago. And these, yeah, and this is the bathroom for that.
So currently the police are doing their business.
Yeah, this is the toilet, and that's the sink.
Why is his face red?
It's not.
Can I see?
It's not red.
No, he's smiling though. Okay.
And then I also have
Stole
this,
my chainsaw.
and it's for intruders. In case they come in, they can shoot, and if they get out of ammo, they can shoot with this, and then they can use the chainsaw.
That's not how it works.
It's all creative.
Very nice, Allie. Very creative. Okay, Ben, I think you're up.
Mine's like a 3-wheeler thing that is a car and drives. And you have to turn it by going like that since the wheel's like sideways. And then to go forward, you put it up and go like that. And then you drive it around.
Okay, you got the drive down. Okay, Mom, you're up.
Mine's a more traditional house than Allie's. We have the horse pen out back. We have the TV room. We have the kitchen.
It's a very
With
interesting show they're
some
watching.
cooking going on there. We have the table and chairs and a sunroom. We have the dog pen over here. We have a bedroom and a bathroom.
Very nice. Okay. Dad is going to get his.
Hey, Dr. Sharp.
That got broke in a couple places, apparently. Okay, mine.
Stop!
Mine is the Clayton Savior Mobile. So it is not only you can move it to drive to the Creighton game, but you can go amphibious. In the front, you have offense. You have a driver here who's calling plays. You have Shaquille O'Neal with dreadlocks, who's coming out of retirement. And there is a police protector who is his bodyguard. He has the basketball here to be able to do. They can climb down the ladder right here. And if anybody gets in the way, they can get him there. But most importantly, if they get thirsty, they have a cooler for Gatorade and otherwise. And then on the way home, it can be filled with adult beverages. So it's the Save the Creighton Mobile, the hand delivering Shaquille O'Neal with dreadlocks.
Mom, I forgot something.
Oh.
If this like breaks down, like one sec. If this breaks down, this is like garage for it or something, and the swift pad can go and slide it. Or like if it breaks down, the swift pad can take it and.
Okay, so those are the entries.